Ishi Francisca, good evening. Long time. Good evening. Nah. I don't say worker. Good evening. So even Facebook could remember this time around. Facebook na appear one mother as well. Or they shadow banning hand remember the keta de. Because no ye batanya, yeah, longest time and Ishi. Because ye batanya kawa metro makana share button. Ye batanya kawa metro makana share button. Because can I share this video? Yeah, thank you, Ishi. Ogochukula, Rafagina. Where are we going from here? Okokomakande, where do we go from here? Kai kwa heba ino. Kwa heba ineje. Kai kwa heba ino, heba ineje. Since they don't know. Because matuna can share button ka this video bagaria ka iwe video. Doris Abwal said hello, thank you. Because can I share this video? Can them mad bagota back? Can I wear also? C.O.S. 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 Somebody tag Yalomo Kelechi TV Nando to her. Kelechi TV Anonwebe TV Oga Edwin, Jigs vlog. Somebody tag Yalom Hanchanine. Hancha Bieba. Tag Yaron Abia. Opo na HFuna. Dalo Antishi. Opo na HFuna. Eba isi wepota. Yodara. Opo na HFuna. Eba isi wepota. Yeah, chase them away. Thank you. Tag Yaron Mahanchanine. Habi eba osiso. Habi eba osiso ka hana mpia wazo. Ononzelu akadalo. Alisa Travels, thank you. Habi eba ka hana mpia wazo. Yes, Anonwebe TV. Anonwebe TV. First of all, thank God that sad news I went out today about young Pope, Junior Pope. Thank God that at the end of the day, because if we made this broadcast, nearly change this broadcast this night, because Namonka Ndi Igbo is we lose somebody like Junior Pope, then I am not quite something. But thank God that finally that we have confirmed that he's alive anyway. Yeah. We have confirmed that he's alive. So at least program Yagalo nwe. Yeah, Ejike will accident. I've also called Ejike. Yeah, spoken with Ejike. Yeah, thank God that na Omelora too much. Video ada gaga and then Isiagu this video fuma. Isiagu this video fuma. Imana agwa mono na e wala agwa mono na hello yes man, how I go for Kelechi Hanokatal all of a sudden they became excited. Imana ha na puona Imana ha na puona before and Kelechi bidozie we pretend they were ndị mmadụ na main page Kelechi TV nwere fault na main page enwe problem but mụnwa wezugo mana main page Kelechi enweghị problem but na ife mere ụna na anyị chuje Kelechi wee chụpnya anyị chụpụrụ Kelechi from page ye shumie Kelechi a shumie from page ye o use wezie Kelechi backup page we claim one of that main page ye nwe problem. Now all of a sudden the very dark man Kogono may post the main page Kelechi dokwa mma immediately oshiyatakwa back na broadcast from main page ye but Kelechi this night iya hapukwa page ya again from this night henceforth iya hapukwa page ya again gbafelukwa again claim kwa na that page nwe problem. Why are you people getting excited for nothing? Like what is really exciting people now on Facebook? I want to know what is really the issue that excite people this past few days. What is, I want to know what is exciting the people. Why are they unnecessarily excited? Kerife Ogedwin, Kerife Chokomilo, Kerife Kelechi, Kerife Gist, Hanchanine. Can you tell me the reason why they are excited? They are excited, thank you very much, Antishi. Excited over nonsense. And that is how unnecessary thing and easy you say excited her. Don't forget during the time of Ijele Chukuka, the moment Showore make a post, na Sahara reporters, they became excited for nothing. From that time age we make Isha post till now. What has changed? Now, the very dark man made post about this issue of C.O.S. They became excited. They became excited because now the very dark man who C.O.S. They became excited for nothing. For nothing. Now, before me agabani na this broadcast, I may go video before. May a open letter addressed to the very dark man. Now I am repeating it again na this live broadcast name. Very dark man, only will sense. This is a time to know actually in will sense, sense. Do not allow these people to push you beyond the limit, because if they push you beyond the limit, you go collect. If they push you beyond the limit, you go collect. Don't forget that no will be pota no sister. If they push you beyond the limit, you will exercise there your okpu beyond the borders they be supposed to remain. You will go back to where you are coming from. You will go back to where you are coming from. Now from what I am seeing, I can see that Okwuluora is not innocent. Okwuluora is not innocent. Chief Justice Agbakoba Kogono Kanakwe. Chief Justice Agbakoba Kelonye Melu, the very dark man, a judge over this case. Obrona that guy with sense. Obrona that guy with sense. That guy is supposed to overturn this case. He will do his findings. Or he make his findings. Or make his findings just the same way that the freeze did. What they are doing to the very dark man is exactly what they wanted to do to the freeze. What they are doing now to the very dark man is exactly what they wanted to do with the freeze. Yes, it's exactly what they wanted to do with the freeze. But that the freeze was reasonable and sensible enough to decode the nonsense from all the garbages Mary Refuting. The most annoying thing about that Eberima, the most annoying thing about that crook, Mary, is that she thinks she can always cry. She thinks she can always use her crocodile tears to blackmail all of us. She thinks she can use her crocodile tears to blackmail all of us. I saw a voice note. Ebo sent a Verydarkman voice note to I felt ashamed for that woman. That woman, shame. Adam, sorry to say this. Okay, my Mary. That woman, shame. That woman, any atom of shame. I'm sorry to say this. A minute. You see, yeah, I'm sorry to say this. Mary, shame. That woman, any atom of shame. She thinks she can come and prove to us no a hardened criminal. Abi, oh, no, I be proof lie. No, a hardened criminal. Or if I be proof lie. You think you can cry and make everywhere to start moving. You went to the freeze page. You paid. Egi supposedly Iji. Egi supposedly Iji. We put here. Nde na kojego. All the people that paid you, which you have till today, you have not paid anybody 1 naira. Egi supposedly Iji. We wonder. You will hear general publicity. You went to that freeze page. You paid 250,000. A bit 250,000. Ego ka wo wulu ni woje. For this guy, he block equal 1 naira. Only woje that money sent the other that guy. Ego that guy are supposed to go a short from Ego Nije. You will hear just what that the freeze sheni ye a berry aqua manipulate ye from the fact is that only want to reasonable enough. 10 minutes, 15 minutes into discussion with Mary, you will find that no a crook call. I have to be honest with you. Except those people who do mischievous. Except those people do mischievous and they are out to devour Okwuluora. By all means. If not, 150,000 or 200,000, why can't you take it and pay it to Onyi Ugwo? He sees the Egonde Mado. Wodi na bagari na blogs. Jene bakwa. He sees the Egonde Mado. Wodi na bagari na blogs. Jene bakwa. Now let us go to Ife Verydarkman. The Verydarkman made a post. Analyze here Ife C.O.S. According to Etu Mary Onyo Shiha Siwegwe. According to Mary Onyo Shiha Siwegwe. Etu Ako Siwe analyze qualia. The Verydarkman. The Verydarkman came out without investigation, without doing a finding. He came out or blab, because I will call it blabbing. Why will I call it blabbing? You are telling Okwuluora that you are going to arrest him and throw him into jail. As who? As who? Who are Onyeke? Who are you? Onyeke? You told Okwuluora that you are going to arrest him and throw him inside jail. Who are you? You want to throw Okwuluora in where you ebisi wepota? Umwani. With a Ojew, to go ni menga, a potana Facebook, Biana, a brag, you will arrest Okwuluora. Onyeke. Let me make this case very clear. Our people now like it, they celebrate nonsense. What I go? Our people now like it, they celebrate nonsense. And this is exactly what they did to Ijele. They made it look like Ijele is untouchable. They made it look like Ijele is the Alpha and Omega. They made it look like Ijele is the government of the day, and today they have all deserted him. I hope that small boy, he's a small boy. I hope that small boy will be reasonable enough to have sense. I hope he will be reasonable enough to have sense and remember, that all these people now, they are pushing him to the wrong side. What is there in the C.O.S that is confusing you? What is there now in the C.O.S that is confusing you? Is it that Okwuluora opened a Facebook page because no naga UK? Before my guy on like this, since they said they want Okwuluora to come and start talking, what has Okwuluora said since he came out to talk that you have not heard since I do program C.O.S here? Somebody there, since these past few days, how they celebrate, they jubilate. Yeah? Can you tell me one single thing? Can you tell me one single thing that Okwuluora has said since he came out that you have not heard since we started this C.O.S issue? Can you tell me one single thing that has happened different since Okwuluora came out that you have not heard or seen before? The only thing there is that now the people sholo ka Okwuluora potaku they jubilate is it because na hemego Okwuluora ka potaku to whose benefit? To the benefit of the victims or to the benefit of those people han Okwuluora na ekwendo? Is it nyan Okwuluora potazi ku? Is it to the benefit of the victims or to the benefit of nde sholo Okwuluora ku? Ka ha we putana analyze if on eku. Now you wanted him to come out and talk. Opotago kita ku. If any no kukwalo, you are still disagreeing with Ifokulu because you wanted to be analyzing what he said line after line, line after line. That is the only aim Ijuecho Okwuluora pota biakuoku. I have a news for you. I have a news for you. But before we get to that news, tell me one single thing Melu these past few days do different from Ife Melu before. Hajuwene jubilate. Hajuwene jubilate. What is that? What is that has happened? Is it that at the end of the day, ne shop tazirina the same victims ablozi Madam Florence kahanyelego? Is it that at the end of the day, ne shop taziri na Madam Florence ablo an agent the same way Mary Siwewolo an agent? Is it that at the end of the day, ne shop tago okay na Mary akusha hanande ona jego ugwo mana Madam Florence akusha bondo ona jego ugwo? Is it that at the end of the day, ne shop taziri no Okwuluora Ndigbo nwere nde kwuru na ha nyelu ya ego? Ona ABJ Interior nwere nde kwuru na ha nyelu ya ego? I want to understand why people are unnecessarily excited for nothing. Is it that number one, na gusifa nle na akwụkwọ na okay na ya shop tago yes na ndị mmadụ nyere Okwuluora ego ọ na-ekwu na mmadụ enyeghị ya ego? Did you hear it? Okay na ndị mmadụ nyelu ABJ ego? Did you hear it? Na Mary akwụcha na ndị niile nyere ya ego ụgwọ? Did you hear it? Okay na Mary akwụchago ndị nyere ya ego since na Mary wụkwa an agent email business. Madam Flo wụrụ an agent email business. Is it that na Mary akwụcha na ndị ọ na je ego ụgwọ then na Madam Flo ekwozi akwụ ụgwọ? Is it that the actual amount Madam Flo kwuchigagoro to Mary na Madam Flo na-emechazie n'ikpeazụ shọpụta na Madam Flo enweghị ego ọkwụrụ Mary? Ọnụ mechazie shọpụta na Mary akwụcha na ndị ọ na je ego ụgwọ? Ọnụ mechazie shọpụta na Mary ahụ an agent? Ọnụ mechazie shọpụta na Madam Flo ahụ an agent? I want to know the difference. Ọnụ mechalụ shọpụta na onweziri onye nyelu Okwuluora ego. I want to know the bone of contention n'efe a na-ekwu. Tell me the bone of contention. Or is it that na anyị gwara unu that we have done our findings and we have found out that na these people bidoro with the Asiocha? These people bidoro with the Asiocha. Asiocha ha bidoro una. Number one, na ha kwuru na mmadụ nwụrụ na this thing. Why na in the actual sense no nwere onye nwụrụ? Number two, na ha kwuru na nego C.O.S 300 and something thousand pounds, but at the end of the day nego C.O.S 100 and 19,000 pounds. That na ndị niile nọ na that WhatsApp group na hancha niile abụrụ student, that there are only few students here na other people who ndị ji wee mee business ka e wee bube ego. Or the wrong? Is it that na anyị gwara unu na at the end of the day na ego na ndị kwụrụ ụgwọ na ego na ha kwụrụ, we call their name one after the other, then we reported ka ha si wee kwụ ụgwọ na onye ha nyere ego na onye ha nyere ego na onye ha nyere ego. Madam Florence acknowledged that yes, na these people nyere ya ego. She did not deny. Meaning that in all these things, you have known who, you have seen how the money moved from point A to point B, from point B to point C. It is very clear how the money moved. Now, a hapuzie onye nyere ego, hapuzie anako onye nya ekperimunu na eno woje more than 50 ji kuchiri more than 16,000 pounds ndị mmadụ igbe ego n'ọwụ jide na akpa na akpagharị na blogs je na achọ ndị ọya kwụ ụgwọ ka o were crocodile tears ana na agbagalagala onwe ndị ji ala champion ana adụghị mma wulu ndị nze mana o chere ọya work this time around. Hell no, it will never work. From point A to point B, did you see anybody who said that they paid Okwuluora money? We read out the names of all the people that paid. We stated how they paid and who they paid to. Did you hear Okwuluora name there? Did you hear ABJ name there? Did Mary not know where she went to pay money cash? Mary Ogwarono no kwole mmadụ ụgwọ na account. She went and gave somebody money cash na her house. She knows the house of the person she paid to. The person she paid to has never for one day denied the fact that Mary paid her money. Now you want to start recovering your money now. Iwe holu ntutu taa na ọwụrụ na ọhọ ọnọdụ ka nije na police station. Iwe sị na ọwụrụ na ọhọ Officer Daniel na onwe another officer ị chọrọ iji wee je recover your money. Ịma no isida na ịma ife ọ niile eruge. Let me make it categorically clear to you people. Let me make it categorically clear to whom it body ba mo na ha with body bo. You people can only end up enriching bloggers, creating more bloggers, giving bloggers followers, making Okwuluora popular. As we speak now, Manda Yoruba, Manda Hausa, amalugo onye Okwuluora Ndigbo no. And you can never bring a good man down. They will ask questions because na ha nwere Igbo friends. They have Igbo colleagues. They will call them and ask them, who is this Okwuluora? Those people will tell them, look at the Okwuluora. But look at what we heard. No, this is who Okwuluora is. You people have said, end go up, Okwuluora do more popular than Monodumbo. Bloggers make it go more money. Verydarkman Nando here, go more followers. Create more content creators. Yes, that is the only thing. Oh no, succeed. And you people have ended up ridiculing yourselves. That is what you people have done. You know the person you gave money, Mary. Why are you dragging Okwuluora up and down? Share Henyelugu, share Hiji, Okwuluora, Gune Ekelu, Inyelo Okwuluora percentage. Inyelo Okwuluora percentage from ego in a considering them mother up till today. Or any single person in 1 naira. You acted together with your husband. You defraud one them mother with Madam Florence. Instead they are that bagari na blogs. Generally picture of Madam Florence. Wa ha chowa Madam Florence ko bia nyu na ego. Ha chowa Madam Florence ko bia nyu na ego no. Ina akpogari Okwuluora na ABJ. Kerifo Okwuluora na ABJ melu. Percentage ega nzamani na ha egbalu. Onwere nke isi na enye ABJ 1,000 pounds. Onwere nke isi na enye Okwuluora 1,000 pounds. Okwiliri ha ncha niile nnakewu wole ga bịa ị na-akpa even 16,000 something Madam Florence kwụrụ apart from nke mama ho onye kpoche wee bịa nara ya cash ndị ọzọ niile itiri na akparu onwepụghị onye nyeru 1 naira. O nwere somebody delu na onyelu Mary 5,000 pounds. O disturb wa Mary block wa ya. Action ka that person inbox from immediately. I want that person to inbox me immediately. Because it seems like no nwere more people nyelu ego that we even know. Obviously, some of them meet ego ha for reasons best known to you. Only somebody delu na no nyelu Mary 5,000 pounds. Then o disturb one Mary makega. Mary block wire. Action ka that person inbox one immediately. Let that person inbox me immediately. Now, since you people know exactly the person ununyele ego, since you people know exactly the person ununyele ego, why can't you people tell the very dark man to go after the person ununyele ego? Then sich dezi onyaho lead this investigation to Okwuluora Ndigbo. Ụfọdụ n'ime ụlọ abra ndị Okwuluora onye ohi, ụfọdụ si na general court, ụfọdụ si na oje gbalụ nzama, ụfọdụ si na agbataluke. How can you leave ndị ohi ịma na ha bụ egbe wee bịa na bank? Ịchọbagodu ndị dị iri ha ohi ọ ndị ha na ha planụrụ ohi, but ifụrụ ndị ahụ ndị ohi ka ha bụ egbe nọrọ somewhere na-ekezi ego ha zutere. Kama ihe eje ebe a je jide ha, kama ihe eje ebe a je arrest ya ha, hapụgodu ha chọbagodo onye ha jeelu ohi. Ọkwere ijide those people lead egwu. Those people lead egwu to onye diri ohi. Is that not so? Kelu comment defa o sere gono kelu onye defa o nwere onye comment ebe a nchọrọ ime ife o dere ebe a. Ke that comment Ezugo, please tell us how Mary a victim and what's the meaning of what? Oh, okay, comment here now. Tell us how Mary is a victim and what's the meaning or reason of Mary crying. Chelsea, okay. Mary is not a victim. Mary is not a victim, and Mary has never been a victim. She can go on at the whole blogs. In fact, I am waiting for the time when you're gonna CNN, Al Jazeera, BBC Igbo, BBC Yoruba, and BBC Hausa. I am waiting for the time when you're gonna BBC Igbo, BBC Hausa, Ebune shame. All of you, Shokomilo, Edwin, and the Kelechi, all of you, Emwe shame. Any atom of shame. If you name page one no shall grow, okwe grow. Eh? Okwuluora no chọrọ ịkpụtọ, okwe na akpụtọ. Unu kana akwụgharị. Kedu ife unu aya eji wee ga? Why must you people go to Madam Florence through Okwuluora? Onye unu tagiri no onye ohi ka ọwụ no so wee zudi oyi. Why must you people go to Madam Florence through Okwuluora? Is Okwuluora a police officer? Is Okwuluora a lawyer? Okwuluora onye DSS? Okwuluora na alụ with the UK police. Who says that it must be only Okwuluora that can be able to pursue this C.O.S money? Who said so? Mmadu biazulu egom. Mmadu gwuru nwayo. Na-afụ onye gwuru nwayo kolokolo n'anya na-ekwogu na ehu izohezo. I know you. I can easily walk into a police station and get you arrested. I can easily issue you a summon and take you to court. I can even easily ambush you no so. Dodo woman aga no. Nhapo na gbagari round the circles. Is this making sense to you at all? Like, why report Okwuluora to the very dark man? To do what exactly? If you like, arrest Okwuluora Ndigbo 20 times. If you like, arrest Okwuluora Ndigbo 30 times. If you like, call Okwuluora Ndigbo from now till 3 years time. You will only end up wasting your time, giving the people who are with your money opportunity to eat your money. You will only make noise. You will only make people more popular. If you want your money, you know where your money is. Go after your money. Go after the person you inyelego. Go after your money. Simple. I wasn't happy that Mary and Chokomilo stopped calling my name. Please, can they resume back? I want more followers. Eh? Why are they being excited? Okwuluora this, Okwuluora this. Why na people actually her? Eh? It do reasonable enough. Why na people actually him with sense? So it must be Okwuluora Ndigbo that can go after this money. I am asking. Biko donu manya. So it must be okay. Ebe Okwuluora Ndigbo polo Madam Florence na Facebook. Na go Madam Florence ko kwọ ndị mmadụ ụgwọ. Madam Florence na ekwukwu ife ọ na-ekwu n'ihu ndị mmadụ na anọ. Why can't you people, since you nwelu ngabase ịda akwụgharị na the whole blogs, why can't you people move in and take action against Madam Flo? Can you move in and take necessary actions against Madam Flo? Let that investigation lead to Okwuluora Ndigbo. Then all of us will stand and crucify him. Yes. You want to go? So, if you na Facebook, you are celebrating nonsense, you are making noise, the very dark man in fact, Okwuluora patience and good heart is beginning to get me upset. Yes. Okwuluora patience and good heart is beginning to get me as you go upset. Why are people not going into detention? Why are some people still moving around free? Yes, since you want Okwuluora to talk, let us start setting examples with a lot of people. Why are some people still moving freely? Why are some people still moving around free? You know the people who jegonde mado. Ena Okwuluora Ndigbo. Kerifi na Okwuluora Ndigbo afa. Can we reason for once? Can we reason for once? We did every investigation we did. We went as far. In fact, we went more far than you can ever imagine. There is only one thing that is needed to retrieve the money for people. But unless Iwaji Okwuluora Ndigbo Suriyeye, you can never rest. You can never rest. You want Okwuluora Ndigbo to write to UK embassy. If you write to UK embassy, or you reject it, if I letter he do. So it must be Okwuluora who will write to UK embassy before UK embassy will got that letter. Is that what you are telling me? Okay, so the very dark man himself, their letter to UK embassy. UK embassy ayekwegwe, except to not be from Okwuluora. Yeah? Then another passenger report to the police. Police will not take action except Okwuluora Ndigbo they report to the police. Is that what you are telling me? So the very dark man J report to the police. Police will not take action. Is that what you are telling me? Yeah? Is that what you are telling me? Okwuluora is becoming too kind. And it is beginning to get me upset. It is beginning to get me upset. Now somebody but I need platform ebe ha na agba ni pelu. Bieba dupe when them mad. They want you now to take responsibility for what she did. Do you know how much that is sitting in Mary's pocket on ebe crocodile tears? Njidu die gonde mad marriage. Anoko ka mma data. Obechi akwa na Facebook. Oje gwa anu okota. obechi akwa na Facebook oje gwu Isiagu taa obechi akwa na Facebook oje kwọ smoothie ṅụọ obechi akwa na Facebook oje sie ezigbo taa fried rice ebe ka o si wee wota 150,000 onye that the freeze of course no nwere ozi ego. I want two people to tell me kele ebe o si wee wota 150,000 onye that the freeze so ka o wee show face na page. So have you people now believe what I said, that na a lot of ndị bloggers niile ọ na-recruit na ọkwụrụ ha ụgwọ? Have you people who believe go kita na a lot of bloggers niile o recruit na ọkwụrụ ha ụgwọ? Unu ekwetago? Ọwụ na nwere ike iwere 150,000 what are the freeze? Okay, let us even talk about that interview Ojeme na nke that the freeze. Ka iwe mmalụ na that lady wu ezigbota ekperima ka ọwụ ekperima nke ye wu. Now you will see the reason why Oji ha like iji anyafu onye dokam or waja Auntie Shishi Francisca Ogechi Okeke Njaka Decisive Empire and ndị otu. These are the reasons Oji Osho iji anya na abụọ wee fụfa. It is because of the same thing mere na page that the freeze. She went to that the freeze page to go and emotionally blackmail that the freeze. Unfortunately, olu ebe ahụ ọwụ that the freeze who a full Yoruba man who will sense. That the freeze started interrogating her and telling her in her face, nihue on her face, ebo si we die. Nole eba why ha no onwe ife Okwuluora Ndigbo melu? Yes, why kerifi ji akpọ Okwuluora Ndigbo? Omesha due to the level of comment in the mmadụ delu, due to enough na that program anọ on her side. Or what the freeze? What the freeze? Nya delete that lady do very wicked and mean. Or what the freeze? What the freeze? Nya delete that interview. Interview okoro 150,000. Or what the freeze? Where nya delete ye. I don't know. I go on live program. Measure the program. Come on. Yeah. You see, because when I like the program, ya woje, owola akwo na ebe jidono, ona agobazi Okwuluora iyi, ona akpo Okwuluora onye oshi, ona achobazi ka unu medicine, imehoye obrandi ahụ enemy ye. Chigozie Okeke, onwe ha olu karịrị nke a na-alụ ebe a. If I'm not a full-time job, that the freeze. For na mmadụ kwuru that the freeze 150,000, which is not even up to 250,000 consultation fee. Yeah? So, them a job carrying can now. Yes. Mmadụ na akwụ that the freeze 1.5 million just for a live program like this. And you are telling me for real to go and look for a job. Eh? Kelo locally this one na lu here. Kelo locally na mu popotalo a happy fee name then on a program. Why that I will you name? But can more locally eh? They say go and look for a job when I'm already doing a full-time job here. Eh? Now, if una owolo ha no obia kuteho jidegu bogaria emotion ngo na nke kelechi ha una ma ekwu na atrisi okwuru ha ụgwọ ụfọdụ n'ime ha ọ maka o si wekwu ha ụgwọ ụfọdụ n'ime ha ọ maka o si wekwu ha ụgwọ. But that the freeze has shown you people that na the lady nwere ego ọ na-akpagharị je na-akwụ bloggers but o nwere ego ọ yeji wee kwu ndị oje nakọla ego ha o firu no yeji crocodile tears here we blackmail all of us. She called that the freeze. What that the freeze? Delete that interview. Why? Why would you ever that the freeze not deleted that interview? Because now that interview I support her in totality. Oshefuzie, now that interview also will also make people to know about that same C.O.S issue. Yes. You what I go? Or forget, yeah? Now that interview will also make some people to know also, to have knowledge about that C.O.S. or go and delete here. In her unusual way. Ojekwe na nke the very dark man. Bidokwa bayegwa the very dark man. No kwuru that the freeze ugwo. That the freeze made something about the same C.O.S. No way for that the freeze email. Can you tell me if one may expect that the freeze email? Kelechi TV, Shokomilo, Edwin ha. Ndeni na u blogger say na help since. Kelife hanwa megoluye oye ji shoka that the freeze may wonders. That the freeze may more favor than even Kelechi and Emelia. If not for anything, that the freeze told her the truth, which none of Kelechi and Chokomilo and Ogedwinwa has ever told her since the issue, since this issue started. C.O.S is free. C.O.S is not meant to be paid for. You connived with people and extorted our people. Now our people, 10,000, 9,005. You swallowed your own commission. You hardenly put that money in your pocket. I refuse to give anybody 1 penny out of it. You are sitting on that money in that bagale na Facebook. Alusia he tolo Madam Flo ye bugo. Go and mark today's date. Alusia he tolo Madam Flo. Alusia ya bialogo. That is the only time he will make sense. You will have sense by force. Continues paying money. You have paid the very dark man. Continue paying money. Go to BBC. Pay money na BBC. Go to AIT. Pay money na AIT. You will still come back to the table. Madam Flo, pay back the money. Egonde madodo na your disposal. Nzame watalo. Owulu na nzame watalo. Pay back. That was our position. Mary, pay back nzame watalo. Then, collectively, then, you know, Obugoduni na accuse Okwuluora na aka Okwuluora done. Obugoduni na accuse Okwuluora na aka Okwuluora done. Osopo je police enu, je police ana. For as long as na Madam Flo is still walking around free, you are not going anywhere. There is nowhere you are going. Investigation should start from Okwuluora. All this platform is nonsense. Onwehebe any law or any iwukulu na refer je na nke nwa agota ifia. Okay, ka happy use nwa agota ifia. Na refer je na nke kene motos je golu moto. Ngwa do guje golu moto na nke kene motos. Na mu golu moto nkem na deliver golu moto nkem. Ijesie golu moto na nke kene motos. Ekene ebi hozi moto ekene ri ego isizie no mwa wezu go ye genatalo ekene ego. Does it make sense? Isizie no mwa wezu go ye genatalo ekene egi nyelu ye ajogo ese no mo shoti ile ekene ima hife u shoti ngwe ebe ima hife u shoti bia ka mo na wuri je bank I loan a bank. Ke just no lo the bank okay do nye na ezugo ego na mo short irie. Ebe ahụ ke ya anu ife a na-akpọ na mmadụ short iri mmadụ. Because na before short iri mmadụ na something, there must be something ebe ya adu binding na short iri mmadụ. Ọ bụrụ na mo gwara na ekwukwo na ife a na-aga. Let us even say na ife melu because o te enu twist were ife ABJ kwuru. I will not repeat it here again. I will not repeat what ABJ said here again. Ife ono solo no nya wuri ife unu believe unu ife ABJ kwuru nya wuri ife okwuru. But na the worst of ife ABJ kwuru, na the worst of ife ABJ kwuru, I am still telling you that you cannot hold him responsible, not even 1%. You can only blame him on Facebook. You can only blame him in your sitting room. Legally and otherwise, you can never do anything to him. Take it from me. This is the truth. This is the truth you don't want to hear. You want to keep romance. ABJ no Okwuluora. Una ye many Madam Flo. Kerife June images. Kerife June images. I'm not coming on Facebook to be making noise, constituting nuisance. Yeah? Kerife de far. Namu gwara udo no nya melum visa njuweje America. Jenye ego ko melu visa. Ijenye ego o melu visa. Ego visa ufuo. You can only blame me for referring you to him. One day ego, iye generally ego. Nyaki iye generally ego. Use everything possible na your disposal to go and collect your money. Mgbe ina basieri ego aho, osizielu na nife inyekwonuri 5 million. No nyele ezugo 2 million. You see? Imana case adugo established. Imana the case adugo established. Oga, nyem 5 million nyelu. Okay. Na mu nyele ezugo 2 million. I will go an accomplice. Meanwhile, that 2 million, I am makwo ife lead to ngungu that money. Yes, I am makwo ife lead to ngungu that money. Yeah, Antioge, good evening. That is the truth. So, une agency ne defend na ifa or ife ABJ kulu ko na ifa ife ABJ kulu. I am telling you no so kwe nyawolo na ABJ selono no nwego onye emelu. Guje kwu ugwo. ABJ is not owing you a dime. You can only say, na ABJ melumu njekwu ugwo ebe lilego. Onya lilego. The answer is no. Imo onye nyele ego. Go to that person and collect your money. Ozimgbe gu na onye ahụ nọwazielu maka ego wu. O mgbe gu na onye ahụ nọwazielu maka ego wu. Onye ahụ wee gbagho na nya na ABJ mere agbata eke. Iwe mmanụ na aka ABJ do na. Ị na nne n'ebe mmadụ buje TV ihu je doba. Ị na-agbagharị je na-eti mkpu n'ilo mana imebe TV ihu. Ihe je ebe a je use every force do at your disposal. Jebulu TV ihu. Imokoro ono Madam Florence ko ono na drag ifo ono na drag Okwuluora Ndigbo since. Imokoro unu nwere ike inwetu na headway self. No ono by dragging ka isi we wote ego ahụ. Ịghọtara? Ana m asị kwuo na ọ wụrụ no by dragging ka isi we wote ego ka nna agwa na ọ wụrụ no Madam Florence ko ono na drag. That is na ọ wụrụ no by dragging no. No, no, by social media noise. That is where we take it. Ono na drag the wrong person. No, we go to no gwa. Ono na agbata ka ego eju wepụta. Ono na drag the wrong person. Go and drag the right person. Then be bold enough to call Mary, sit her down. Wolu no la osha we mapo ya crocodile tears on a that lady is so annoying. I swear. Eh? Kita ka nkwetara ife. Nne mochie kwuru a na-amụcha ngwa wejewe oyi. Imife wee mụ ngwa m wejewe oyi. A na-amụchasịcha ngwa wejewe oyi. Onye jere igburu plantain mmadụ a calculate go ụzọ oga 100 oya atụrụ na inwude n'ụzọ ka o bu plantain aha ga. Onye awụ ngwa m ahụ a na-amụcha wejewe oyi. You were in a city down on more than close to 15,000 pounds ndị mmadụ. Ime ego na defa. Nya return go to that money. Nya return go to that amount of money. Some people will be happy. At least if not for anything. If not for anything. Florence, I refund to go. if I'm not mistaken, more than 10,000 pounds. Or refund golu. Oneke ekwona alu ndenyeluge ego. You blocked them. Nda tuga bagale for one day. They decide, okay, let me tell you people one thing. Let me tell you people one thing. Program. Hey, what I go? This annoyance of a woman. This annoyance of a woman. Where's your okay? No, say no, Kilafa, this guy, nearly 9,500 pounds. Or block. Onyebo the guy, you. Despite the fact that na Madam Florence had a fund to go ne. Onyebo that man even £1. Or pota, say are you okay? Now from now to the next weekend. You gotta go. Now from now to the next weekend. Now I had a fund to that guy. Ego Nzamaho. How about that? Don't forget that Nash Asizeri ka ekuwe. No hosi say ego Nzama ko ya had a fund on so because now Madam Florence I drop go some money. Or suppose you know what azie ego Nzama 2,500. Oti kuze ya at least ebe 1,000 or 3,500. Onye kene nonso. Owe wolo na je na nonso je piachi account to die. Owe wolo na nonso je piachi account to die. 2,500 alone. As of that time I na ekwu awolo na over 3 million plus if I'm not mistaken. Yes. As an ngono 2,500 pounds. It's over 5 million. It's over 4 million naira. If also hamelo hapo nonso. We say nonso. Nyaje bro unblock that account to the year. Na haya kwere 1 million. Inegente. Nyaje unblock account to the year. Na haya kwere 1 million. Ewe kwa hangwa wotano that 1 million. Ogbafelu. 2,500 pounds. Nka go to Nzama ekwalo ya agba. Inwe di bodo obi. Wolu 1 million nye ni ime ye. E sure ki iwola agogo. No eje unblock account to you. Before you enye ye ego woje cash woje nye ana ekuye ona atu ndị mmadụ ka ya asị. If you think that you love this victim so much, why are you so much interested in only ego Mary? Or na ịmalo na ndị ahụ Mary na je ego si from family. Even enwere m onye Nnewi nọ na ya. Are you not aware that no nwere onye Nnewi nọ na ya? Yes. Are you not aware that no nwere onye Nnewi nọ na ndị Mary nyere ego? Ndị nyere Mary ego. Yeah? So those people are not victims. Yeah? Those people who the actual victims. Those people who now the actual victims. Those people who the actual victims. Because now Mary made business one Nzama more than 10,000 pounds. 10,000 pounds. Now today's money. 10,000 pounds. Now today's money is over 15 million. Now no one Nzama more than 10,000 pounds. Should we begin to pity Mary? Mary business. More profit. Carry on the woje their hard-earned money. Yeah, they lost all the money. No, answer me. Yeah? Prince George, onwero any single person who family members nande Mary na lego. Yes. Oh, na Mary we relation na Newi. Nyagwam family dey far. I would love to speak with them. Omunwaje na Newi. Ka nne yo wonye Newi. Ka na anu nwanne nwaanyị na Newi. E ghọta go. Ana m ajụ na ajụjụ. Yeah? Omunwaje na Newi ka ogologo na Newi. Oh, nyagwam relationship o nwere with that family na Newi. Nya direct yam to in fact nyagwam ka nya na ndị house wee mmalụ na Newi ebe ha nwanne ha. Why are people failing to be reasonable? Why are people failing to be reasonable? Enye mu mmadụ ego nya je ego tanu mi ife. Oluo ogwa m na ife a na-ele ife awo 1000. Why na ife a na-ele ife awo 500. Nwelu 1000 nye. Oluo ebe ahụ egwuoye wayo 500 ahụ o ji wee je gota that thing. Ọka ji 500 nna akpe. Are you supposed to be pitying me nyere 1000? Konyanwa gbalụ nzama 500 ti na akpe lose 500. Ke supposed to dey pity? Who is the actual victim? She made profit. She did business. She made profit. She should be meant to be one of the accomplices to pay back people on a jego. Unune twist ife niile say na Mary is victim. Victim victim wakwa yo onu eba. Eji ime potase na Facebook na drag an innocent man inyeho even one kwasha from all that money. Okay, since you know na WhatsApp group Okwuluora Ndigbo ka no we gwu wayo nsame gbatala ego na kinyere Okwuluora we say thank you n'ime business na WhatsApp group here. Yes, ana m ajụ na ajụjụ since you know na platform Okwuluora ka e bia nolu we me business ya eji we gwu wayo ego na ki iji from that money e gbata na nsama we si Okwuluora thank you no na platform ka no we me business ya ego ne achọkwa nka ndị mmadụ na-asa m ebe a achọ nka anyị nọrọ quiet ego ne ka iji wee si Okwuluora thank you very much. Yes, gwa m ego no ka mmala ego na iji wee si Okwuluora thank you very much na nọ na platform ya wee mee business wee buba more than 10,000 pounds. Ego ne ka inyere Okwuluora wee say thank you. You did not give Okwuluora any money. You pocketed all the money. Things a bit of fall apart. Isheta no Okwuluora wunya wo admin na the WhatsApp group we make business. Amomi for some people who na do so senseless. For them will sense. I'm sorry to say that. I'm sorry to say that. All the different no bolo no na amalo onyu nyele ego nke awona this Mary okpokiri isi this Mary okpokoli isi woje two tiny legs here wolu opa ye gagido batana be Madam Flo wenye ye ego. You did not give to Okwuluora, you did not give to ABJ. You walked by yourself to Madam Florence's house. Will that money nye Madam Florence? Onalu ego debe. Can you obosi ahụ na jere ego debe if Okwuluora kodon na that sitting room? Who told you that no onye refer mmadụ nya ga-eme business? No onye aye take liability for that loss? Who told you that? Who told you that no onye refer mmadụ ye take liability for that loss? Who told you? And who even told you that no responsibility of onya ije gbata agwo? I will give you people a prophecy. If you like, drag Okwuluora Ndigbo from today to next year. You will only lose your money. And let me tell you people, some of all these people, nyana meri neme, gala, you people will still cry. You people will still cry. Oka do crook enough. Either I manipulate most of you. Na atoro no oga. Be na Facebook na mamansi. We ra cover up. We suke de gu ni ike. Na eli that money no onu ye. Na eli that money. Na ebe blogger si no. Na atoro no oga. Unu we donana. We ka mo down. You people will still cry. You people will still cry. It cannot take too long from now. You people will come out on Facebook. Yes. Onya husele no Mary 5,000 pounds. Mary block warrior. You are a new person. Inbox me immediately. It is time for Mary now to answer for the crime. It's not a must that Madam Florence will answer for the crime before Mary. You can get Mary to book, get Madam Florence to book. Both of them will accomplish this crime. That is the truth. As far as I do concern now, Madonna Abuji Gondebaye, Mary and Madam Florence. How Madonna Abu Jegundebaye? It's either they pay back or they go in for it. It's either they pay back or they go in for it. Any other person I rob in Nime. Yes. Anybody I rob Nime. It's your jet rob na anya rob ya posi anya no only take your time. Ishi ite rob na anya. Eputi ire ebe akwa. Agadi nwaanyị dokayo. Agadi nwaanyị dokayo. Ibule ego jeneke bloggers kelechi ha apụta na Facebook na akpụ ikili ogeduwinu ha apụta na ishe na nwe time ebia patronize wonu ka o wewo na gurumel. Okwuluora is 100% innocent. If you feel that Nako Okwuluora do not this scam, prove us wrong. Prove us wrong. We have proved you people right by debunking every single lies. Unukulu na this C.O.S. Up till today, you people has never debunked any single thing Aikulu with facts. If any Aikulu investigation ni email about this case still stand, you people have never disputed anyone with facts. It is still legit till today. You people have never even put something do different from if I could back here up with fact. You have never done that. We have been waiting for you people since over 5 months to prove to us that Okwuluora is a thief. You people have never done that. We are waiting for you people for over 5 months for you people to prove to us that Okwuluora Ndigbo collected money or no so na we conspire to collect money from people. You people have never, you have all this time, yet you have not proven it. If you like, get Okwuluora Ndigbo arrested tomorrow. You are wasting your time. You are wasting your resources and you are wasting your energy. Take it from me or leave it. You can be entertaining people. You can be building your page. You see, Mary, you can be running around looking for a smart way to die people's money, to eat people's money. But it will not be too long from today. And I am if only. You gotta go. Anna, yabo if only. You are so heartless, Madam Flo. Sorry, not Madam Flo. Mary, you are more wicked than Madam Florence. You are more wicked and hardened than Madam Florence. Take it from me or leave it. Woe betide me if I ever one day call you a victim of C.O.S. You made money, we did not make any money. You made money, Okwuluora did not make money. You made money, ABJ did not make money. So, are you a businesswoman or are you a victim? Iso nya ekwulugo C.O.S ni Isiagu. Ana majo. You need the C.O.S. Ekwulugo C.O.S ni Isiagu. Kerife marriage we will a victim. I want to know if a marriage we will a victim. When the actual victims, you are sitting on their money. You are sitting on their money. That is why in USA, the very dark man who they celebrate today, Ome ife na case ya Oma Homete, he will go back to where he came out from. Yes. Omi ife Ometa Hoye, he will go back to where he came out from. There is nothing special about the very dark man. There is nothing. As a matter of fact, that physical will more publicity. Yes. You can't even compare him in any way to Daddy Freeze. You ran to Daddy Freeze, you came out because he did not agree to descend to your level. Iwe gwe nya diriti interview ekwolo gwe interview ekwolo gwe a granted you free because ekwolo gwe ma no free from ifoko wal. Iwe burie ke bagaria iwe burie ke bagaria kirifi na emende bai kirifi na emende bai. Okay, let us do it this way. Let us do it this way. My young brothers in school, Natala. Okay, Golden Berry. Bye bye from this page. You can come back with another account. You want that account to Shigata. Say that you behave yourself or I will block you again. You want to go? Say that you behave yourself or I will block you again. You want to go? Yes. So, my young brother, well, his friend will be at my house. Then, his friend will be in my room. Will be Wolu Egon Debelu. Ona Njozi Egom will be CCTV camera. Wherefore, ka any my brother down na my drawer. Weje wolu that money. Instead of me wolu phone or police or one day vigilante or sue friend my brother. No be azulego. Akporo my brother no. Ebe meanwhile, o nwere ife dị iche. No wolo na that friend my brother na mama he bobi na mama all his whereabout no gbaziri ọsọ as well as my brother nya lead him to their house nke awu na mu ebe obi na mu ebe ono na mu ji number I can reach him kedi ife na akpọgariziri my brother everywhere that he should give me my money or that he should go and collect my money back. When I can take legal action against him, I can go and arrest him. That is the actual person who stole my money. You got to go. It doesn't make sense. So can even make stop trying to convince us that na platform Okwuluora can make that. Oh, when he fight GMA, it is useless and it is baseless. Yes. Nesuru ohi na moto GUO. Owewulu na imale onye bia sugo ya na moto GUO. Iwe sim no GUO ye je recover ego. Does it make sense? Keri ife jiwe na take all the time na program or Facebook na argue na platform Okwuluora ko na platform Okwuluora or na platform Okwuluora or na platform. What difference does it make? The fact still remains that you know the person who has that money. And onyaho ekwuho na enyeho ya ego. Onya accept no nya ka enyele ego. Use everything done at your disposal and go after Madam Flo. Use everything legally, even illegally, not at your disposal. And go after Madam Flo. Almost ife di Ishi. Na police or anybody interrogate was the Madam Flo we kuzie no nya na Okwuluora ha balankata aho. Yes, a man a case had to get established. You see, a man a case had to get established. A very simple case can marry a use the money or a weje gbata ụgwọ ya na UK ọ makwa onye ego na UK apart outside anyị niile ejike not ejike Kelechi TV emahobe Madam Flo Edwin emahobe Madam Flo Chokomilo emahobe Madam Flo Kelafe una emahobe Madam Flo Many sona 1 out of 2 people ma be Madam Flo. Kedi phone apụtazi na Facebook bịa na-ebele akwa. Now, afro maybe, and look, let me tell you people. Chisomama ọ na-eme nnukwu mmọnwụ gbakarịa n'ọgbọ ọghọ ife ụmụazị. Ifu mebe reply ya nwaanyị na Facebook a so say ya ọsọ ma na onye ahụ e push go case beyond before my guy n'ife a nchọrọ ikwu ejike. I want to answer you this question. Yeah? My question is, where is the Zimbabwean man? Is he still alive? The answer to that question is, that is none of your business. Even Jew, that is none of your business. Even Jew, that is none of your business. Is Ndenyelu Mary Ego Cho Hasego no way if consign line Madam Flo. Mary, give me the money that I paid you. I don't want to hear anything about Madam Flo. It is their decision because the person accountable to the money they gave out is Mary 100%. So, Kerife who interested with that Zimbabwean man. When if you apply the law very well, if you do what you have to do very well, you can actually get Madam Florence to start paying you your money. Or Madam Florence Olusiegu Ojelugu Zimbabwean man now. It happens to Florence Osuzike Ijekweze Zimbabwean man January ago. Did you pay any single kobo to the Zimbabwean man? I am asking you. Did you pay any single kobo to the Zimbabwean man? Why are you leaving the person who money was paid to? If she doesn't want to lead you to the Zimbabwean man, it is not your business. It is not your business. Your business is to hold her accountable for every single penny that you pay to her. Am I not correct? Your duty is to hold the person in your ego. When he feel in the actual sense, or need to kind enough to help that person in going for that money. That is actually where you will be interested in whoever you got. But as long as nego occasion, you have to hold. In fact, nde na sheli okay ngwa kere onye nyele ega ka ima ka yes nata ya onye do kind enough. Onye do kind enough. Onye ya sig okay ngwa ka ijenu ebe a ka imalu ka osi we me. Yes. Onye chole ego ye by all means etu a Mary si we che cho ego o choro onata agba ka ori agba e ka ndo lileli. You will go straight to Madam Mary. Use every legal means do na your disposal. Jane ego. You don't want to care whether Nungulonyo ego or not. So, in other words, the Zimbabwean man in this case is irrelevant. Why are you so much interested in the Zimbabwean man? Or one day go, or less than one day flow. He decided that he help flow. But Opulona flow apoho. Kelonya defa, Kelafonia hana sem block where somebody delu mafonia he delu. Can block her immediately. Yes. See the luma for say can block Efa, can block her immediately. Yeah? You don't have any business with that Zimbabwean man, and that is it. You don't have any single business with any Zimbabwean man anywhere. The only person you have business with is Madam Florence, then Ndenyelu Mary Ego. The only person you people have business with is Mary. Kunu business with. That is why, as we are going after Madam Florence, we are also going after Mary. Go drop a comment again. Come fear. Come block where. You got to go. Now, I've remember one guy. Get off of this guy. Get off a page this guy. I've remember the guy. Now analyze nonsense. Okay. I'm going to check the comment again. Yeah. DK Sonto, thank you. Welcome, my brother. I'm going to check or drop or comment again. Ejike. Eju, who is the suspect? Who Edaju question answered to very obvious. The person who money was paid to is Madam Florence. Why are you looking for the suspect? The suspect here is Madam Florence and the Mary. So far so good. Two of them who people show here that money was paid to them. You see? So, Kerifa na ashoro the suspect ashoro. Kerifa na ashoro onye the suspect ewu ebe ema na akwuru Mary ụgwọ. Mary K with Madam Flo. Then ụfọdụ kwuo Madam Flo direct. Two of them were the suspect you are looking for. No other suspect. Now, I was showing one guy ebe ọ na analyze nonsense in the name of no na analyze video. Ebutere m nnukwu ever water maka program a. Ebutere m nnukwu ever water, the big one maka this program. Yes. Akwado maka ebutere m oversize one. Before my English program end there. The guy will say, no Okwuluora Ndigbo na claim no mahonye kelafe Madam Flo. But na full picture also with Madam Flo. We draw myself say Kirife pata some people you were do so daft. Kirife pata some people you were do so daft for God's sake. Okwuluora Ndigbo jelu UK Jeffo ndebe anyị nọ na UK emepe WhatsApp group tiko ndị mmadụ na oluo UK. Who says that Madam Flo cannot take picture with Okwuluora since ọ ha host uriye? Okwuluora ma ndị niile host uriye o ndị niile ha na Flavor sere foto ka Flavor ma on the hana and you don't sell photo, can you don't so much? On the hana, two faces sell photo, ka two faces man. Are you not aware that in the Ikwe, no Okwuluora Ndigbo a celebrity call, he meets more than 500 people every week on my home. A lot of people they circulate pictures here na Facebook, they sell picture with him. Imu IMTO ne second photo with Okwuluora amaho one on one. Emu akwụkwọ esutu second photo with Okwuluora amaho ndị ha one on one. Emu student oko second photo with Okwuluora amaho one on one. On the niile selu photo with Okwuluora mgbe oje Germany kanye na ha ma one on one. On the niile selu photo mgbe Okwuluora jelu UK kanye na ha ma one on one. Why are you people, why are some people so daft in thinking? Yeah? Why are people so daft in thinking? Meaning that he doesn't know Madam Florence. Yes, they took pictures the same way also we take pictures with it. So many people. Even that time, Shokomiro was struggling to take picture with Okwuluora Ndigbo. We saw the way he was standing with confidence. Okwuluora celebrity. If not that, no, they make mmadụ wotu onwe ya na une were gba ball. Ọ bụrụ the same thing ka na-eme ka ndị mmadụ na-eme anyị dance kịta. Ọ na anyị dance uche na-eme etu a P-Square ha si eme. O nwere ụfọdụ okwu ndị mmadụ anyị ada agwa. Mana because na no woturu onwe ya na ana. Onwe ka ife si wee do ọpata ka ya na ụmụnne na-atụkọla alụ. That is a reason ụfọdụ ya ejizi na insult ya. You got to go? That is the same thing mere Okwuluora. Eh? Otherwise, then in the UK, he was a celebrity. Chokomiro was struggling to take picture with him. Manaketa, obatago yanya. Eh? Chica. Yes. Get it. Hey, Chica, na me kono program. Yeah, bon na maka. Watch it, Gambia. Gambia. Beacon. A minute. And I'm here for 1 minute. Biko, all you need share about this video. Kawa ahụ metụ aka na share button. Ka you share this video. Why are they asking useless questions? Why are they asking irrelevant questions? Some of the questions Hannah Ajo do very it doesn't add up. Okay, somebody say I think you know the same guy. Say neighbor na no sare na no ma honye Madam Florence wo keri fe patara oju we kuzie no te no ji apo Madam Florence na say pay people their money. Are people so daft? Are people so daft? So when we told them that Okwuluora was actually doing something about this money, did they feel no akoko we fe had na anako oburu na Okwuluora aye nwetawu number Madam Florence. Kedu ka anyị nwesi we nwetani number Madam Florence? Kedu ka anyị nwesi we nwetawu details and the phone numbers of people Mary na Jego? Yes. Why are you asking? Because na the is problem adugo. Okwuluora moved in. That is where he knew Madam Florence the same way Mona Osiwe marry. And that is the only way Osiwe gwa na since then that no na opposing Madam Florence where one day mado ogwo or do difficult for you people to understand for God's sake. Eh? Or too difficult for you people to understand. It is not. It's just that you don't want to understand. Yes. Now before this student Pota, he doesn't know who Madam Flo is. Manambodi Oku Potazielu. He also has to start calling her because Okonombe donade WhatsApp paper and being a member of that WhatsApp group, being also the admin of that WhatsApp group. So why can't he call Madam Flo and communicate with her or send her a message? Does this show that no monyo wumbo? Ofodo sekwa na nursery na omaho maka C.O.S mbo manana no kwuru no onwe na onye omelu C.O.S mbo. Why are you people quoting things out of context? Is this not the only reason why unu ji we na ase na unu choro ko Okwuluora bia kwubo okwu kunu we na ekwu otie out of context? No Okwuluora called the incident of one guy onye elaka or support qualify that guy with 1 million. When I say no more na efe ahụ ka a na-akpọ C.O.S nwa. No more na efe ahụ ka a na-akpọ C.O.S nwa. Mana nwe one guy kwuru so and so ten mgbe ahụ. Ọkpọ onye nwanụ nyere the guy aka wee mee na even na nyanwati kwuru 1 million naira wee assist the guy. Ife ọzọ abranded ewo no me na C.O.S mbụ. Ndị ọshọngọ n'oke. Chisomama ọ na-eme mmọnwụ gbakaria n'ọgbọ ọwụrụ ife ụmụazị ka ọwụ na kpụzie adon good na ịda call ụmụ nwaanyị out anyhow mana na kpụzie it is enough. Chisomama go in, it is enough. Yes, ịgbago ka mmọnwụ enough na kpụzie n'ọgọ gị ife ụmụazị. You are no more making sense. You are no more making sense. Owen a philanthropist Okwuluora Ndigbo na-enye nsogbu, go and start your own. Yes. Owen a philanthropist Okwuluora Ndigbo na-enye nsogbu, go and start your own. You can do it also. You can do it also. I'm for so many ụmụ nwaanyị na-eme. You will not be the first if you start it. I watch in videos and I say, look at the questions Okwuluora is supposed to be asking Madam Flo. It's more like in a hurry as go. Sometimes I'm on kufodu ni munu si eche. Yeah. Since all we need pick go case in the C.O.S victims, sir. Why can't you move in? As far as Madam Florence said to concern Keta, anybody can bring her to book. Anybody can bring her to justice. I hope you know. If Okwuluora is not doing it better, Chisomama, I implore you now to do it more better and show us the way to do it. Yes. Yes. Chisomama, I am telling you, moving now, we Igbos will support you. Go after Madam Florence and retrieve that money from her. We will give you support, both financially and otherwise. Yes. Yes. If you can get the Verydarkman in to come and help to recover that money, why can't you do it? Or see they put on Facebook with no passing. So una accept to go the fact that na no action. No way if you so Mbochoko Milo Gwalo Okwuluora Ndigbo no na 24 hours go away arrest here. So he was actually blabbing then. He was actually blabbing. Yeah? If we phone eku kese ndeba akokata n'enu una ana-akọ n'ana ana-akọ n'enu una ana-akọ n'ana na Okwuluora na-abịa UK ndị Igbo ri group onwe ha ka ha wee welcome ya ishe no so Okwuluora wo an admin no na that WhatsApp group. Somebody know here tell him how many admins know na that WhatsApp group. Moses, and out of all of them Okwuluora na Odoka the only person be Nigeria. Ndo so ni unde no UK. Yes. Out of about 7 admins on that WhatsApp group, Okwuluora Ndigbo is the only person be Nigeria. So showing you that now more people know UK many people know that WhatsApp group. Is it difficult for you people to understand? Chisomama, can you go after Madam Flo? She's your fellow woman. Okay. Or overpower go I want woman, okay. Can you go after her?